Identity can be difficult to define at times. Understanding it requires something special that resonates with our true nature. Losing something that connects to your identity is never easy. Jay was told his second upper left premolar was beyond repair and needed replacing. Leaving a gap or grinding down the adjacent teeth for a bridge wasn't an option. He needed a solution that would return his sense of identity. We at Dentsply Sirona provide innovative solutions to make dental procedures as effective, safe, and fast as they can be. We gather as much knowledge about a patient as possible. We use advanced technology like virtual Atlantis design software to give us all the parameters, like the edentulous space, surrounding teeth, and soft tissue anatomy. Pretty handy when it comes to getting the aesthetics just right. We work tirelessly to find the right solutions for dental practitioners, like providing cement or screw-retained solutions, and allowing you to work with your preferred implant systems. We don't give up until we find proven solutions. Jay's treatment went smoothly, providing him with a fast, effective, and above all, aesthetic solution. A look, a smile, a feeling inside.